Listen, sometimes the best thing you can do is vanish. Not ghost everyone in a dramatic way, but quietly step back from the noise, work in the shadows, and when you return, you're unrecognizable in the best way possible. If you do what I'm about to tell you for 6 months straight, you will look different. You will feel different. And everyone who doubted you will have to do a double take. So here's the 6-month blueprint to vanish and come back looking like you're from another league. Step 1, build a routine that turns you into a machine. Your glow up won't happen by accident. It's about a daily routine you don't negotiate with. Wake up early, make your bed, get sunlight in your eyes. Train your body at the same time every day. Eat clean without overthinking it. High protein, more veggies, enough water. When you follow the same structure daily, change becomes automatic. You'll start noticing how much easier it becomes to stick to good habits when they're built into your day like breathing. Make your mornings predictable, your afternoon productive, and your evenings restorative. The more boring your routine looks to others, the more powerful the results will be. Step 2, fix your skin once and for all. You can't glow up with a face that looks dull and tired. Get a simple skincare routine. Cleanser twice a day. Moisturizer morning and night. Sunscreen every morning. Exfoliate once or twice a week. And if you have acne, go see a dermatologist now. Don't waste years experimenting. Clear skin is one of the biggest silent flexes you can have. Also, focus on your lifestyle. Stay hydrated, manage stress, and get enough sleep. These directly show on your face. Small, consistent steps will transform your skin more than expensive products you use randomly. Step 3, transform your physique. 6 months is enough to completely change how your body looks. Lift weights 4 to 5 times a week. Stick progressive overload. Increase weight or reps each week. Focus on compound movements. Bench press, squats, pull-ups, deadlifts. Pair it with enough protein and rest. You'll be shocked at how much bigger, leaner, and more confident you'll look in half a year. Track your workouts so you know you're improving. Train with intention, not just a sweat. Every rep should move you closer to your goal. Step 4, level up your hair game. Your hairstyle is a massive part of your look. Go to a high-quality barber. Find a cut that matches your face shape. If your hairline is struggling, handle it now. Hair treatments, microneedling, or a new style that hides it. Get your hair cut regularly. Don't let it grow wild. Healthy. Styled hair instantly makes you look more put together. Experiment until you find a style that becomes your thing, something people recognize you for. Step 5, upgrade your wardrobe. When you disappear for 6 months, your return should be with a whole new style. Throw out clothes that don't fit, are faded, or look sloppy. Stick to timeless, fitted basics, white tees, slim fit jeans, solid hoodies, clean sneakers. Add 1 or 2 statement pieces, like a leather jacket or tailored coat. When you dress sharp, people treat you differently. Choose quality over quantity. A few great outfits will beat a closet full of cheap clothes. Step 6, work on your posture. Posture is one of those things people notice without realizing it. Stop slouching over your phone. Pull your shoulders back, chin up, and walk like you own the room. Train your back muscles and stretch daily to keep it natural. A confident posture can make you look taller and more dominant instantly. Think of your posture as your silent introduction before you speak. Step 7, fix your voice. A deep, clear, confident voice changes everything. Practice speaking slower. Breathe from your diaphragm, not your chest. Read out loud every day to improve clarity. A strong voice doesn't just make you attractive, it makes you respected. Record yourself speaking and notice your tone, speed, and energy. Improve what sounds weak. Step 8, get your sleep right. No matter how much you work out or eat right, if you sleep badly, you'll look tired, puffy, and older. Aim for 7 to 9 hours every night. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Sleep is where your body repairs, grows, and recharges. Make your room dark, cool, and quiet. A good night's sleep is the most underrated beauty and performance hack. Step 9, build a jawline and facial structure. Chew sugar-free gum or mints daily. Lose excess fat to make your jawline pop. Keep your facial hair trimmed to frame your face well. Facial massages and proper hydration also help reduce puffiness. Don't underestimate the power of small, consistent actions here. Your face changes with your lifestyle. Step 10, upgrade your scent game. Smelling good makes people remember you. Find a signature cologne that suits your personality. Apply to pulse points, wrists, neck, chest. Keep your clothes smelling fresh too. Smelling incredible is one of the easiest ways to seem high value. Scents trigger memories. Make sure you're unforgettable. Step 11. Learn the art of social silence. When you disappear for 6 months, don't post updates. Let people wonder where you are. Avoid over-explaining yourself. Come back looking upgraded and let them fill in the blanks. The less you explain, the more powerful your transformation will seem. Step 12. Work on your mental game. An attractive person isn't just good-looking. They're calm, confident, and in control. Spend 10 minutes a day meditating. Read books that expand your mind. Limit negative influences in your life. Your mental glow-up will show in your energy. Strong mental health makes everything else easier. Step 13. Get your money up. 6 months is enough to start a side hustle, learn a high-income skill, or stack serious savings. Confidence comes naturally when you're financially stable. Even a small increase in your income will help you upgrade your lifestyle and appearance. Money gives you freedom, and freedom shows in your presence. Step 14. Eat like your body is worth $1 million. Stop treating food like a hobby. Every meal is either building you or breaking you. Eat lean proteins, complex carbs, healthy fats, and colorful vegetables. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water a day. Cut out excess sugar, soda, and junk. Your body reflects your eating habits more than anything else. Step 15. Train your aura. People feel your presence before they hear your words. Practice holding eye contact. Stand still and grounded when you talk. Avoid fidgeting. Be intentional with your movements. It makes you magnetic. The energy you carry will determine how people respond to you. Step 16. Maintain mystery. Don't tell everyone your plans. Move in silence. When you do something amazing, let it speak for itself. Mystery makes people curious, and curiosity makes them attracted. Never give away your full story. Let people wonder. Step 17. Destroy bad habits. 6 months of bad habits will destroy you. Cut smoking, excessive drinking, endless scrolling, and lazy eating. Replace them with healthy, productive habits that give you energy. Your habits define your future. Choose them wisely. Step 18. Practice self-care like it's a job. Whiten your teeth. Moisturize your lips. Keep your nails clean. Trim unwanted body hair. You don't need to be obsessed with grooming, just consistent. Looking clean and well-kept will make everything else you do look even better. Disappear. Work. Transform. When you come back, let them be shocked at who you become.